welcome to another No Limits 4x4 video. Just a quick one today. We're doing a small upgrade on the old Jeep. My big green truck. Been hunting for a while for a set of these, and I found them. So I'll get you in and have a look. These are a set of worn locking hubs. So I've been looking for a set of these for a little while. Pretty common in earlier LandCruiser stuff before factory locking hubs were all fitted. But they'll look a lot more correct on the car. And the AVM hubs that I've already got are kind of junk, so we'll get these things swapped over. That's my current freewheeling hub. It just doesn't look right. And this one's got issues, so pull them off. Right, nothing too exciting about getting these things off. Big thing is to clean all the mud out of them. He's got a tiny little Allen key bolt in here. That's pretty easy to strip them out if you don't clean them. Not that it's in great loss on this particular hub, because this one's no good. The one off the other side's still alright, and I'll throw that in my toolbox as a spare. Because it never hurts to have a spare set of freewheeling hubs. And that's the problem with this hub. So this should actually be in the back of here, but as you can see, it's all fallen apart. It's pretty well had it, that one. I do need to recheck all my studs, because one of them kept winding out. We'll clean all this up and get ready to put the new hub in. Righto, got all what's left of the gasket cleaned off this, so that's pretty good. There's a couple of these that are, a couple of studs are a little bit loose. That one's very loose. That one. For some reason it's only this side, and I think it has something to do with that, where the hub's actually all flogged out. So the other side hub doesn't come loose. It's not bad. One tight one out of 5 out of 6. Slip on a new gasket. Slip on the new hub. Take this end piece off. Seems to reuse all the original nuts, but fits new spring washers and flat washers. Really looks like it needs longer studs on it. Also seems to eliminate the circlip that goes on the end of the axle. Just fits one little bolt with Loctite on it. Smear a little bit of grease in there just to make it lubricated. Definitely can't hurt it. Okay, whilst doing the other side, worked out I don't need to have the gasket on here. So there's actually an O-ring built into this that seals it. So I'll whip all this apart again, pull the gasket out, and that might make these nuts, make all the nuts fit just that little bit better. There, so the O-ring. So the O-ring's there to seal it into the hub, so it doesn't require a gasket. We'll slip that gasket back into stock. Can go back in with all the others I've got. Save it for a day when I need one. Oh, I got it wrong. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with how the hubs turned out on this. I've been looking for a set of these for a while, and I'm glad I found them. They just sort of suit the car, which is nice, where the AVM hubs don't, and they were on the axles when I got them. I don't think the AVM ones are great quality. In saying that, I hadn't had one fail. I did just have this one that forever came loose. No matter how many times you tightened it, it just kept coming loose. So we'll run these and see how they go. But just on a look side of it, I'm really happy with them. So, thanks for watching. Share, subscribe, tell your friends. Even if it's just to poke fun at me, I don't care. Yeah, should just be a nice quick little video, this one. We got some more stuff coming up, so anyway, see you in the next one.